Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and review the laptop Acer Aspire 5. And if you like this video, go and hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Let's start. This laptop comes with the new generation of Intel i5 11th generation processor. 18GB RAM. It has a very good combination of 250GB SSD and a 1TB hard disk. And it comes with the latest Intel Iris Xe graphics. And we can also see the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in this laptop. This is the warranty card. And this is the manual book of this laptop. The charger. And finally the laptop. This laptop has a beautiful elevated design to keep it cool. The keyboard is better. The keys are nice and tactile, and the keyboard does not feel like cheap. This laptop comes with Windows 10, but if you upgrade it, then you can able to see Windows 11. This is a 15.6-inch IPS display with the resolution of 1080p, which is also known as Full HD. So it can be said that this laptop is a better in the budget of 50,000 after seeing all the configuration including keyboard, mousepad and the operating system.